In front of me is CYRUS CS40, and let me show you how to make your phone number private on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the phone dialer, then tap on the More icon, go to the settings, click on Call and Accounts and select Play, or whichever carrier you do have, but in my case it is Play. Now go to the additional settings, and here you've got caller ID. Smoothly click on it, and you can either pick network default, show number in general, or the third option is hide number. So if you would like to hide your number, smoothly select this option, and now number will be hidden in outgoing calls. So this is it. This is how you can make your phone private. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.